Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Have you ever imagined a robot delivering medicines to the patients or getting equipment needed by the doctor? Well, these innovators have thought it through. Swift Robotics operates a robot delivery service in the healthcare industry. Let's get to know more about it.
So we are Swift Robotics, based out of Mumbai. I'm Sunny Duseja, one of the CXOs from Swift. We are trying to solve the problems in the healthcare industry. Since robotics is a boom, and robotics can solve a lot of problems, and the problems that we are trying to focus on is the medical errors that are being faced in the healthcare industries. A lot of things are happen, manually, not without taking care of the, hygiene or the safety aspect of it. The medicines that are transported by nurses, it's been taken by hand, and we see a lot of issues when it comes to labor workforce as well in the European countries. So there's a lot of problems in the healthcare industry that can be solved through a robot. So imagine a robot in the hospital that can move, medicine, that can move your medical instruments, it can move your documents and everything, that can help the nurses and the doctors, move or organize everything, smooth. We thought about robots as a way to upscale the operations in the healthcare industries. Now we can understand that the robots are very new to this area, but it has the achievement of precision. It can deliver whatever we ask the robot to deliver. It can deliver the medicines. It can deliver documents or anything that we ask the robot to be. We see a lot of opportunities when it comes to healthcare, but that can be solved through robots. And I believe that in the long run, that we can rely more on these things. We can rely more on the trust factor that we are capable to work with the robots. Now these robots are now not there to replace any jobs, or I think we have a lot of mentality where we think that the robots are going to replace our jobs. It's there to help the nurses, to be dependent on the robots. So, for example, a very good solution that we came is that the robots can have a timely manner. When the patient needs to have medicine, when the patient needs to have a food, the robot can just collect the food, collect the medicine, and can give it to the patient on time, whenever it's meant to be for the patient. It can prove to be a very immense help when it comes to healthcare. It can be something that we can depend on to a successful operations in the healthcare industry.
So my name is Michael. I am based in UK. We are already exporting to UK, where there is a lot of shortages in healthcare, doctors as well as the nurses. The automation with robots can help to elevate it. Right, so the robot moves autonomously. It delivers the medicine as well as other instruments from the doctor and pharmacy to patient's room. It has the compartment where doctor can place the medicine and instruments, and then select where the products should be delivered, and then it's securely delivered. It has two compartments where the medicine and instruments can be placed. It can operate in a single floor as well as multiple floors using lift. Right, so we got a lot of support from Startup India initiative as well as the Make in India initiative. It helped us to connect to industrial partners as well as to participate in events like today.
We manufacture the product in Mumbai, and it's a Indian-made product. Thanks to the Make in India campaign, we are part of that campaign, and we make everything in-house. Our R&D process is very much ideating and exploring and developing. So we come up with new ideas. For example, temperature control is one of the ideas that we are trying to work on right now. We improve the ideas. We are working on the new features that can bring a quality to the consumer. We see that in movies we've seen the robots as Terminators. We see a lot of robots as at home and everything, but we have not seen robots at our daily lives on how we can socialize with it, how we can understand that these robots are there to help. These robots are there to improve the service factor, improve the quality of the job that it needs to do. So the impact when it comes to social, it's meant to be that people can interact with it, can talk to it, can ask them to please bring me my medicine, please bring me the food, please help me with this, to help you with the necessity of life that you needs to that it needs to be there. We need to all understand that in a way. We are also heavily exporting our robots to European countries, also the Gulf countries. We believe that India has the capacity to become a superpower or become a leader in robotics. India has already been a superpower in IT sector. It has been a major exporter of IT. It has a 70% of sharehold when it comes to exporting the IT sector. And now the hardware companies that are trying to have it set up in India, we believe that India has that potential to become a superpower, to become a leader, and we're trying to take that opportunity, have that set up over here, and build the robots, make India the hub of robotics, sell these robots to Europe and to other countries.